So look in my book because almost 1 month I don't look my book, so I need to see maybe can I read some things because oh my god, school is so hard. Yeah, it's not easy. It's not easy. So I'm trying my best, you see. Oh my god, you see, mathematics, boy. Mathematics is so difficult, huh? So difficult. But I try, I'm a student. Yeah, I try my best. Maybe God can help me. Yeah, but this one, like, this divide. Maybe when I take my pen, I can do some complete things. Maybe I don't know where I put my pen, I put my pen here, so I can take some papers. Maybe wait, I take my calculation. Yeah, I can do some calculation on. Yeah, I can make some calculation. Maybe I can yeah, so this one is not English, it's French. I'm trying my best for French, but I don't know how to speak, but I try my best. I try little, maybe I can speak good French, You understand? Yeah. Yeah, I almost do this one. I finished this one. Yeah, and you see, I finished this one, all of them. So I can finish this one also. So less one paper, but this one is so difficult for me. So I must be do this one calculation. Maybe I think so. Maybe you can go professionally. I don't know. Maybe I will try my best. Yeah, I will try. So when I watch this, yeah, you can do. Why it's not working? Okay, it's working. 5 times 5. 25. No, it's not. Okay, no. Yeah, this one also is not too much, but I left this one first so I can look because the math is so difficult. So I'm trying. Maybe this one, yes, is it plus some. Yeah, it's like that. So you see, like that. So I try to arrange my paper because like 1 month I don't go to school, so I take my paper, I put like bullshit, So less 2 weeks before I start school, so I must be arrange it good, I can go school like this. Maybe if I go school like this, they say you are stupid student or something like that, Yeah, you see my fucking paper, it make me fucking crazy, You see? This is my certificate school. Where I show you is my certificate school. So I gonna arrange my fucking paper, Oh my god, god damn. I'm so tired. But I'm gonna sleep right now. It's almost 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock, yeah. I'm gonna do some studies like 10 minutes, 20 minutes before I go sleep. So maybe I can try my best before. It's not easy, Oh, French. I do maybe how I say that, 2 months at school. Maybe last year I make 2 months. This year maybe I make a full year for school. Maybe next year I can go lycée. The English people say maybe college. It's not college, it's like how I forget what is the name of that. Oh, the French is so difficult, yeah. Oh, maybe university or something like that. I don't know. Maybe I say it like that, yeah. So my math, I gonna finish my math, so I gonna take some French. I gonna how I do French because French, yeah, because my teacher give me this word maybe almost last 2 months. He tell me before this year I will complete it. After when I go to school I give him, but still now I'm not doing nothing for that. So I gonna watch something like when I watch still now before 1 month or 2 weeks, maybe I can know the little question because it's so difficult, it's so difficult. I never do school for French, so really so difficult for me. So I'm gonna try my best for making professionally, so something like that, yeah. I gonna greet my old friends. So my friend is London and is New York City, and my one friend in Germany. So I greet all of them. Yeah. You see me. You see, I gonna show you this paper. You see, this one when I go school. Last time you need to go outside like Lyon. So you're gonna go there for look some things. So you're gonna take this picture for doing over there. So today I make it for my book. So I'm gonna show you that, I'm gonna have 3 friends. The one his name is Azizi, the one is Alcini, and me. So we go to outside, something like that. So I have some words, I get on my math. So math I fucking hate math, So I got tired. I need to sleep a little bit, but I need to watch some things maybe. Oh, god damn. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. I gonna arrange my paper so tomorrow I can do studies or can do something like that. So I greet everybody, my friend Facebook and my friend Instagram and my Snapchat. So big up everybody. So I need to sleep a little bit. Maybe tomorrow morning when I finish my breakfast, maybe I can do some video for yours, So okay, goodbye for everybody. Good night.